मेरे और खुशी के बीच में सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा जनरेशन गैप होता है, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मैं आदम जमाने की इंसान हूँ उसके सामने. She is
Oh
very,
God.
and she is like from the future, I think, the way that she thinks and how independent and fun and chilled out she is about things. And I'm very like, I think I'm mama ki mama, you know, in some ways, how sensitive I am, how
Uh,
needy I am. So the generation gap there is massive. And I'm also very technologically challenged.
so what is that one conversation Gen Z must have with their parents and one conversation they should not have?
I think one conversation that they should have with their parents is just to have an open dialogue, I think, about relationships, because I think it's such a defining factor of any, you know, young person's life. And one conversation they shouldn't have, I don't know. I mean, I think a big part of your childhood and your youth is to like, you know, be a little bit of a rebel and do things that you know, you're not supposed to do. Like yesterday, for the first time, I told my dad that I lied to him and I told him that I was going for a movie, but I took a flight and I went to Vegas from LA and I like roamed around and around Vegas and I took the flight back in the morning and he didn't know. But I think that was the thrill of it. And I'm not encouraging this kind of behavior, but I mean,
Yeah.
like enjoy yourself a little bit, I guess. Just like don't push it.
Right, of course. Now, in the Dabur Amla want it all moment, tell me about a time in your career where you thought you would need to compromise on something, but eventually you like finally got it all.
I still don't think I've gotten it all. I think that sometimes when there's been like a project that I wanted to do, but like because of dates and all of that, and I've had to pass on something. But I think in the end, everything happens for a reason, and you do what you're supposed to do. And if you give the opportunities that are in front of you your best, then it all turns out okay, I think.
And when it comes to romance and dating, do you think your generation is lucky to have so much choice or is it a bad thing?
वो अच्छा ही है, लेकिन बट ऐसे मैं कभी ऐसे किसी ऐप पे नहीं गई हूँ, सो आई डोंट नो द पर्क्स ऑफ दैट. बट अ लॉट ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स यू नो यूज बम्बल एंड दे गो ऑन दीस डेज, एंड आई थिंक वो एक मतलब मजेदार एक्सपीरियंस ही होता है. आप नए लोगों से मिल पाते हो, नई चीजें सीख पाते हो, तो आई थिंक ये एक ओपननेस आ गया जो कि अच्छी बात है, आई थिंक.
And speaking of romance and dating, in this generation, it's all about women making the first move, right? So, Janvi, have you ever asked someone out?
Never. Never, but I'm very sly. I'm very like, I'll drop my hints, but I won't make it too obvious till I know that the other person is for sure interested. But मजा आता है ना थोड़ा सा ऐसे eyelash bat करने में, थोड़ा ऐसे मजाकी बनने में. I enjoy the attention, but I'll never like, I've never made the first move. I'm a little bit of a pattu like that.
Okay.